Though there are over a dozen species of earthworms in our region, I want to show you the most common earthworm that you're going to find on the farm. That's the Aparactidae, which is also the gray garden worm. And these worms will move throughout the top 2 feet of the soil. They move laterally. Within those earthworm channels, you find really nutrient-dense areas where plant roots can take up nutrients and use them efficiently. So these guys are pretty important when it comes to soil health. Another earthworm that you might find while you're digging around for the Aparactidae are called Octalasian, and they're this blue-tinted worm. They're not as common, but they're something you might come across, and you'll see the difference in the color of the worms. You might also find night crawlers, and those are neat because they move down to 6 or 9 feet in the soil profile. That vertical movement is very different from the lateral movement of these most common worms found in the region. Another thing you might find in your soils that are a great indicator of soil health are the earthworm cocoons. So this is how earthworms reproduce, and you can see that these cocoons will hatch into small juvenile worms, which will grow and feed in the soil as well. So as you're changing management practices to build residue or diversifying rotations, get out there with a shovel and look for earthworms, because that's the best indicator of a healthy soil.